Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good. So today I'm going to talk about the problem which we usually face while speaking English, that is lack of words. So I'm going to talk about those problems in this video. Okay, so you know what happens, I usually get stuck while speaking English and find no words to express myself. How do I solve this problem? So well, I have a solution of this problem of yours in this video, so stay tuned till end. You will get many ideas that how you will overcome of your fear or overcome your this problem, okay, of speaking English, or you will not stuck in front while speaking English. So you just stay tuned till end in this video. You know, you stuck because of your fear. Okay, don't make English too tough than your confidence. Okay, your confidence is each and everything. If you're confident, you will be able to speak English fluently and confidently. You will not hesitate at all while when you are confident. Okay, so don't lose your hope, don't get nervous while speaking English. Then only you will be able to speak fluent and proper English. Okay, you know what happens, we see people who is hesitating while speaking English. That means he has lack of confidence, lack of knowledge in the sense about his subject or about language, okay, which he is speaking. Okay, and translation from mother tongue to English, lack of confidence, lack of practice, stage fear, language fear, and habit of speaking in Hindi, okay, more than English. He's not in habit of speaking English. Okay, that's why he or she hesitates while speaking English. So you know, there may be such reasons. Some people who know language and some who don't know, they both face problem. Okay, so and these problems can be solved by some solutions. So I have solutions of these all these problems. Okay, so just stay tuned till end, and if you are new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon so that you can get notifications. You can follow me on Instagram as well. My Instagram ID is Rachna4290. Okay, so let's get started. And the solutions are feel smart. Okay, when you if you read novels, okay, so just try to speak those dialogues in same manner. Okay, and feel smart while saying this. Okay, don't be afraid of anything, don't hesitate, don't get nervous while saying this. Just feel free while saying this. Okay, and second is grammar. Get book Wren and Martin. Okay, that will help you in your grammatical part. Okay, third is mind mapping. You know what happens, suppose if you are asked for instant presentation, okay, or you have given you have to do a GD on any topic or a debate. Okay, so just make a circle on a leaf of paper, okay, of words, and try to write those words which are coming to your mind. Okay, and don't write too tough words. Write or easier words, okay, which can be carried and which can be told easily. And just select 20 words out of them. Okay, that should be related to your topic which has been given to you. Okay, and just look at those words and try speaking English. Okay, don't choose too tough and jump into conversation without thinking too much. Okay, and just use easy words so that you cannot forget again and you cannot stuck again while speaking English. Okay, and another point is word meaning. Yeah, you know, if you are studying something and you stuck in word meaning, you don't know the meaning of those words, just pick up a dictionary, okay, and find those words meaning, and just solve this problem of yours. Okay, next one is subject knowledge. Subject knowledge, if you are free, okay, you have time, then study your subject properly, okay, as much as you can. Okay, and next one is get in habit. Get in habit of speaking English. Suppose if you are free at your home and you have your brother and sister, then this is the good, you know, this is the good thing that you have your brother and sister. Just start practicing with them. That would be very good for you. Okay, and next one is overcoming fear. stop speaking in English. Oh, look at my sir, look at my friends, they can speak English, why can't I speak English? I can also speak English. Just think in this manner, then only you will be able to speak English. Okay, don't feel hesitated, don't get nervous, don't be afraid of anything. Don't think about people will, what will they think, whether they will make fun of you or not. So just don't think all these things and practice and practice again, because this is the key. Just find someone with whom you can practice, okay, a lot. That will be very helpful for you. And by doing this, by practicing, this is the key only. Practice is the key only. By doing this, you will improve your English. So these are the points, okay. And using these points, you can overcome your problem when you stuck while speaking English. This happens because of lack of words. You have word power, then no one can stop you from speaking English, okay, in a right way. So just, have more and more words in your mind, and that will automatically come while speaking English. So these are very helpful steps or tips, you can say. So yeah, that's this is the thing which I wanted to share with you all. It will really helpful for you. And yeah, just follow all these steps, okay. You will find that you are coming out of your problem, the problem which you have, that is lack of words. You will be coming out of this problem. So just do these things, okay. Yeah, so thank you. And if you are new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share my videos if you really like this to your friends and family. And subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so that you can be notified when I upload my videos. Thank you.